How many times must I say the exact same thing? How many times must I repeat myself? How many times must I go over and over the same nonsense? 70% of the squad must leave. You guys, we're playing Champions League, FA Cup, Carabao, Premier League. Brag about playing Champions League. Julle is nog geen aan. Brag about it, my bro. And guess what's gonna happen? You're gonna fight for relegation or so. Harry Maguire signed a new 1-year deal. We're gonna be up against Mbappe, Dembele. We have no right back or left back that can dominate any flank. We have no left wing. We have one striker. Do you think the squad is equipped to play Champions League, FA Cup, Carabao, and Premier League? Answer the question. Everything's in our faces, guys. Like, everything's in our faces. But to me, it seems like people are just